So Judan,
Yeah?
do you think the patty is salt?
No, it actually it's good. I got like bad.
Yeah, but Robert says salt.
Because he hates your cooking.
What?
Because he hates your cooking.
What make you think so?
Because he said it's salt.
Yeah, but he actually said it tastes nice.
He's probably faking it.
What make you think him a fakey?
I don't know.
I'm not faking it.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I love, come here. So, you know like the cooking?
I like your cookie.
No, seriously, no joke. Take a smile off your face.
I'm not faking it.
So you fake me cooking, like the food when me cook, you really not like it,
Come
but you
here,
fake
come
it.
here, boy.
No,
Come here,
no,
son.
seriously. So you fake me cooking.
Come here,
Oi,
son.
come.
Come here,
Me a
come here,
Jamaican,
son.
me a Jamaican and you a Nigerian, and I must say Jamaican food.
Come, son.
You not like me cooking, and you fake
What's
it.
funny?
And then you get a variety.
You get me
No,
out.
no, seriously. No, Robert, put fun and joke aside.
Sometimes,
No,
sometimes,
no, me serious. No,
I know, but sometimes, even if the food is not that good, you have to say it's good. This is what...
So Judan, right. You're right, Judan. You must
Come
feel me
here,
cooking.
come here, son.
You have to me cooking. You
Don't
know,
give your daddy up. Come here, don't give up your daddy. No, your cookie is always good. All your cookies are good. But your
No,
cookie and your cookie, they are all good.
You pretend you like me cooking, but you don't like it. Deep down, you miss the Nigerian food because you not get no fat
No,
because
all,
you not
all
cooking.
your cookies are good, believe me. They are all good. Both your cookie and your cookie, they are good. Come here, son. Come here. Come here.
Judan, you believe him?
You gave up your daddy.
No. Oh, so you say, all right, here you're saying give your hope. Give your hope. So Judan, you see, Judan,
You
you're
too.
right.
You gave
Judan,
up your
you're
daddy.
right. Judan, you're
my
right.
God.
Come here. You actually think Robert not like me cooking?
Yes.
No joke, seriously.
I'm being for real.
So you think him a fakey?
Yes. No. Shut up, OJ.
You gave me up.
So but you keep on saying give your hope, so that simply means that's true.
You gave me up.
OJ, do you believe Daddy don't like my cooking? Huh? Do you not think Daddy like me cooking?
He said, he doesn't believe it.
Do you think Daddy like mommy cooking?
No.
Oh my God.
I like your cooking, baby.
No, but put fun and joke aside, though. You not like me cooking.
Why not? Let's make this party.
But why would you then say, yeah, you probably a fake it? You probably a fake it.
No.
So you like it.
No.
Yeah, right.
I
But,
like
but
your-
kids smart though.
No.
It just come out their blues and like, oh, he probably faking it. Fake what, Judan?